Hey guys, GripEdge Tools back with you again. We've got two more sets to introduce into the lineup. Come on, let's check them out. Both of these sets that we're going to have a look at belong in the Star or Torx family. And until now, we've only offered them in the 132-piece bit set. You guys asked for them in socket drive, and here they are. First set we're going to talk about today is the new quarter drive and 3/8 drive 10-piece security star or tamper-proof star set. Sizings go from T8H to T27H in the quarter drive, T30, 40, 45, and 50H in the 3/8 drive. Part number SCST10S. Guys, you know how popular that Star Plus fastener is becoming. On chassis applications from drain plugs to bed bolts, they are starting to dominate. Make sure you reach for the GripEdge product the first time, every time, and prevent that damage from happening. But if you come across one that's already been damaged, it's absolutely your best fighting chance at getting it out. Next up, we've got our new 13-piece quarter drive and 3/8 drive Star Plus set. Sizings range from IP6 to IP27 in the quarter drive, IP30 to IP55 in 3/8 drive, and then the IP60 is a 1/2-inch drive. Part number STP13S. Remember guys, the best part of the GripEdge products are that if you use them as your primary tool on each fastener every time, they will prevent damage from happening. But if you come across one that's already damaged from somebody else, or age or time or rust, we're absolutely your best fighting chance to get it out. Hey guys, do me a favor, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. We are always releasing new sets into our lineup. Hit that notification bell so you can see when the next new video is coming right at you.